Hello everyone. Social life of Paleolithic people. The Paleolithic period, also known as the Old Stone Age, is a significant era in human history. It is characterized by the use of rudimentary chipped stone tools. This period spans from 2.5 million to about 10,000 BCE, marking a time when foraging, hunting, and fishing were the primary means of obtaining food. Societal structure. Paleolithic societies were small bands of hunter gatherers who lived, worked, and migrated together. The social organization of the earliest Paleolithic societies remains largely unknown, but it is believed that early hominins like Homo habilis and Homo erectus likely had more complex social structures than chimpanzee societies. These societies were largely dependent on foraging and hunting. They lived in caves or simple huts or teepees. They used basic stone and bone tools as well as crude stone axes for hunting birds and wild animals. Social relations. The initial forms of coexistence and organization likely came from natural animal communities. The first forms of social life in which human consciousness and intelligence matured were probably more similar to a family structure than an extended human community. For example, African gorillas and chimpanzees live in related groups of 12 to 20 monkeys, with one or more adult males ruling the group. This could be indicative of early human social success. The social community was and still is a necessity for the survival of humans as individuals. Without it, human spiritual forces would never mature. Evolution of social life. As humans began migrating and adapting new environments, they developed tools and methods to make the best of their respective environmental constraints. The most capable ones were usually senior members of the human groups that often performed as organizers of work. The development of tools during the Lower and Middle Paleolithic was modest. However, the advent of hunting, especially as a joint venture, led to increased social cooperation. This was much more successful and far more useful for the wider human community, especially in terms of establishing and building relationships. Cultural aspects. Paleolithic people also practiced body art and behavioral rituals related to death and life, such as burial rites. There was also a gender division of labor between women and men. Archaeological evidence shows that Neanderthals in Europe and Southwest Asia had a system of religious beliefs and performed rituals such as funerals. A burial site in Shanidar cave in modern-day northeastern Iraq suggests that a Neanderthal's family covered his body with flowers, indicating a belief in something beyond death and a deep sense of spirituality. In conclusion, the social life of Paleolithic people was a complex interplay of survival strategies, societal structures, and cultural practices. Despite the challenges of their time, these early societies laid the foundation for the evolution of human civilization. Thank you. Bye.